Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Your Name, and today we're going to dive deep into creating a highly effective meta ad for a make money online offer. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step system to launch a profitable ad campaign, even if you're just starting. Let's get into it. First things first, before you create any ad, you need to be clear about your objective. In this case, we're promoting a make money online offer, so our goal is likely to drive leads or sales. Log into your Facebook Ads Manager. Click on the green plus Create button. Now select your objective. For MMO offers, you can choose from leads if you're collecting email addresses to build your list, or conversions if you want to sell something directly or drive a specific action. For this walkthrough, we'll choose conversions as our goal. Now let's set up the campaign. We'll start with the basics. Campaign name. Name your campaign something you can easily recognize later. I recommend something like MMO offer, September campaign. Special ad category. If you're promoting something that falls under financial products, make sure you check the box for special ad category and select credit, employment, or housing. Be cautious here to stay compliant with Facebook policies. Campaign budget optimization. Turn this on if you're running multiple ad sets and want Facebook to distribute your budget between them. Otherwise, you can control the budget at the ad set level. Step 3. Set up your ad set. Next, we're setting up our ad set, which is where we'll define our targeting, placements, and budget. Conversion, event. Since we're aiming for conversions, you'll want to select a conversion event. Typically, this will be something like purchase or lead, depending on your offer. Make sure your Facebook pixel is installed correctly on your landing page to track this. Budget and schedule. Set a daily budget. If you're just starting, I recommend anywhere between $5 to $20 a day to test the waters. You can scale it up once you see some results. Choose when you want your ads to start and whether you want them to run continuously or set an end date. Audience, here's where the magic happens. For an MMO offer, we want to be laser-focused, location, target your ideal country. For example, if you're running a global offer, you can target the US, UK, Canada, and Australia. Age and gender. Typically, people between 25 to 45 years old engage more with MMO offers, but this depends on your specific audience. Detailed targeting type in interests related to making money online. Think keywords like work from home, side hustle, passive income, or even software like ClickFunnels and affiliate marketing. Exclude audiences. Sometimes you'll want to exclude people who are already savvy about making money online. So exclude people with interests like digital marketing experts or internet entrepreneurs to target newbies. Placements. Choose manual placements and uncheck things like audience network or messenger, unless they're part of your strategy. I recommend sticking to Facebook and Instagram feeds for the highest conversion rates. Step 4. Create your ad. Now we get to the creative part, the ad itself. This is where you capture people's attention and make them want to click. Ad format. For MMO offers, I recommend using a single image or video. Video performs better for engagement, but if you have a striking image, that can work too. Tip: keep your video short and to the point, 30 seconds to 1 minute. Focus on how your offer solves a problem or provides a clear benefit. Ad media. Upload your image or video. For images, make sure they comply with Meta's text overlay rule. Less than 20% of the image should be text. Primary text. This is the most important part of your ad, the copy. For an MMO offer, I suggest keeping it simple, with a clear benefit. Here's an example. Looking for a way to start earning extra income online. Learn how thousands are making money from home with our proven step-by-step system. Start today. Keep your copy conversational but actionable. Focus on benefits, not features. Headline. A strong headline is critical. Something like, start earning online in just 7 days. Make it urgent and clear. Call to action, CTA. Choose a CTA that matches your offer. For MMO offers, learn more or sign up usually works well. Destination URL. This is where your traffic goes. Ideally, you'll send them to a dedicated landing page optimized for conversions, not a generic website homepage. Make sure your pixel is installed on this page to track conversions. Step 5. Review and publish. Before we wrap up, let's go over everything one more time. Double-check your campaign, ad set, and ad settings to make sure everything is in place. Make sure your pixel is working properly and set up for tracking conversions. Once you're ready, hit publish and your ad will go live. After you publish, Facebook will review your ad to ensure it complies with their guidelines. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a day, so keep an eye on your campaign in Ads Manager. And that's it, you've successfully set up a meta ad for a Make Money Online offer. Thanks for sticking around and walking through this process with me. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials like this. If you have any questions about setting up your ad or need help with your MMO offer, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to assist. Until next time, let's crush it, and good luck with your campaigns.